Hi everyone. For today's discussion, I will be tackling about the procedure of staffing. Did you know already what is staffing? Discusses by Nicole and Arrow. Staffing is that if na kayo sa company, of course mangita jud kag recruit jud kag mga employees which is mangita kag musut ana nga position. And to understand further what is staffing, here are the staffing procedure kung unsaon nimo pagpangita og mga employees nga mosut ana nga vacant position kanang specific position. So here are the steps of staffing procedure. The first one, human resources planning. Human resources planning is a plan output systematic deployment. This is the process wherein the planning o kung saan paggamit sa mga tao sa usa ka organization to target the specific cause. So when we say human resources planning, is kanang mangita kag mga tao, mga employees nga motrabaho sa imong usa ka company. So this involves the following activities, which is the forecasting, programming, evaluation and control, and so on. The first one, you have the forecasting. From the word forecasting, it is a prediction. It is a statement of future human resources needs. Prediction of how many and what type of employees will be needed in the future. Of course, ila jud na tag-anon og pila ka buok ang mga employees nga mo ila pila ka target nga employees ang ila ipasulod ana sa usa ka company. And the second one is the programming, meaning translating the forecasted human resource needs. So programming is the planning how to recruit or develop. Plano if sa forecasting na siya prediction in the future of how many employees and what type of employees will be needed in the future. Of course, sa programming, hindi sila magplano kung saan nila pag-recruit, kung saan nila pagpaagi, kung saan nila pagpaagi sa pagpang-recruit, mag-advertising ba sila, or mag-promote, or mag-recruit sila sa gasa. And we have the evaluation and control. Refers to monitoring human resources, action, plans, and evaluating their success. The forecasting of manpower's needs may be undertaken using any of the following quantitative methods. The first one, we have the time series methods. Use historical data to develop forecast. The second one, explanatory or causal models, are attempts to identify the major variables that are related to or have caused particular past conditions. So, time series methods use historical data. Time series methods. So, of course, sa previous nila nga data, ilan na tanawan if katong last previous nila nga company is ma-develop ba in the future. There are three major types of explanatory models. We have the regression models, econometric models, and leading indicators. Econometric models refers to a system of regression equations is the method from past time series data. Leading indicators refer to time series that anticipate business, and we have the last one, monitoring methods provide early cycle turns, warning signals of significant changes in established patterns. After the human resource planning, of course, we have the recruitment. Diri na kanimo planuhon o unsaon nimo pagpang-recruit. And there is a lot of source of applicant, and this is the first one. You have the organization current employees. Some of the organization's current employees may be qualified to occupy positions. When we say current employees, kato mga daan nila nga mga trabahante. If maganahan siya ang tag-iya sa mga previous employees, of course, mo lang i-recruit, which is, kay na may mga good background silang trabaho before. So, possible nga kato mga current employees, mao na ilang mga dawaton. Mao sa na ilang rekruton. First one, newspaper advertising. Diba kabantay mo? Kabantay ta nga kanang naamay mga newspaper advertising kanang mga like mga job kanang posting nga hiring. Usually na siya sa newspaper advertising. So that's one of source of applicant. The third one, we have the schools. Yes, this is one of the source of applicants. Remember mo sa katong seminar sa BGMP? Di ba nang-recruit BGMP sa atong eskwelahan, which is sa NUM? Nang-recruit sila, which is their BGMP, Bureau of Gym. Na-recruit sila mga students if naabay ganahan mosulod og PGMP. But of course, imsa na eskwelahan ng ilang courses. That's one of source of applicants po sa schools. And referrals from employees. Current employees sometimes recommend relatives and friends who may be qualified. Yes, referral from employees. Kato mga daan ni mga employees, for example, na company, kato mga daan ni mga employees, tas wala na nasa lain nagtrabaho, is kanang mag-recommend siya o kanang which is mag-recommend siya mga friends nga kani qualified ni siya and other nga imong pwede nga ma-refer from employees. We have the recruitment firms. These are companies organized specifically to assist clients' firms. And the last one, we have the competitors. Sometimes kanang kanang atong ganahan nga kanang musut sa atong specific goal, which is sa atong company para molambo, is naadi ay sa competitors nato nga ang trabahante, which is pwede sad. Samot if kana ang company competitors na nimo, dayon na sila mga previous employee nga wala na diha, pwede sa nimo rekruton. And after the recruitment, we have the selection. Out of choosing from those that are available, those that are available. So, selection. Ikaw man yung recruitment, of course, mamili na ka. And selection procedure may be simple or complicated. Selection, yes, maybe simple siya or lisod siya. Okay, diha naman ka mamili. This is the ways of determining the qualification of a job candidate. Application blanks provide information about a person's characteristics such as age, marital status, and address, and so on, and other background. References, those written by previous employers, co-workers, teachers, etc. about a person are called references. Interviews. You already know what is interviews, right? Testing. This involves an evaluation of the future behavior or performance of an individual. Type of testings: psychological test, sample behavior of individual, and attitude test, performance test, personality test, and interest test. And we have the physical examination. The fourth one, after the selection, we have the induction and orientation. So, of course, after nimo mag-selection, na-testingan na nimo na physical examination, of course, i-orient na nimo imong mga napili. And we have the training and development. So, of course, after nimo i-orient, You should train. You should train the employees. The first one, training programs for non-managers, on the job training, vestibule, school, apprenticeship programs, special courses, and training program for managers. And basket, management games, case studies. You have the interpersonal competence, role playing, behavior modeling, sensitivity training, transactional analysis. Acquiring knowledge about the actual jobs the manager is currently holding the following. First, on the job experience, coaching, and understudy. Increase the trainees' knowledge. The following methods are useful, which is the position rotation, multiple management, performance appraisal. I know. It's just position rotation and multiple management. This Then we have the performance appraisal. This is the ways of appraising performance appraisal. First, we have the rating scale methods, essay method, management by objectives method, assessment center method, checklist method, work standards method, ranking method, critical incident method. And we have the employment decision, monetary rewards. We have the promotion, transfer, and demotion. And the last one, we have the separation. We have the involuntary separation or termination. That would be all. Thank you.